Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study our next topic, that is the construction of angle bisector. In last lecture, we have already studied about what are angles and type of angles. In this lecture, we will learn how to draw an angle bisector using compass. Our topic is construction of angle bisector. Construction of angle bisector. Now what are the bisectors? Suppose here we take an angle ABC of measure 60 degree. Here we take an angle ABC of measure 60 degree. Now I have to draw the angle bisector, that is the bisector of angle ABC. Now see. Suppose here we draw a ray BQ. Now bisector means the ray which divides the given angle into equal parts. Okay, bisector means the ray which divides the given angle into equal parts. Means we can say that our angle ABC is of measure 60 degree. Then when the ray BQ divides the angle ABC into equal parts, means our each angle is of measure 30 degree and this is also of measure 30 degree. You can say that measure of angle ABC is equal to measure of angle ABQ is equal to the measure of angle QBC. Measure of angle ABQ and measure of angle QBC are equal because the BQ divides the given angle ABC into two equal parts. Therefore, the ray BQ is the angle bisector. Ray BQ is bisector of angle ABC. Ray BQ is the bisector of angle ABC. Understand? Suppose we take our example. You can draw the angle bisector of any angle of any measure. Here we will take the angle. Suppose we will take the angle of 80 degree by using protractor. First we will draw the ray here and name it as ray AB. Now we want to draw an angle of measure 80 degree. Now keep the middle point of protractor. This is the middle point of protractor on the initial vertex of the ray. Keep perfectly matched to the initial point of the ray. Now measure the angle 80 degree. Here we can measure the inner scale, that is 10, 20. Here our 80 degree. Now join this. This is and name it as ray AC. This is our angle CAB of measure 80 degree. Now we want to draw the angle bisector here. Now let's see how we can draw the angle bisector by using compass. Now this is our compass. For drawing the angle bisector of any angle, keep the point of compass and point of your pen or pencil at equal level. Your point of compass and point of pen or pencil must be at equal level for drawing the angle bisector. Now see the B. Angle CAB is our angle of measure 80 degree. Here we want to draw the angle bisector of this angle. For drawing the angle bisector, let's see the first step. with the any convenient distance, draw the arc which divides the AC and AB. With the any convenient distance, draw the arc which divides the ray AC and ray AB. You can take any distance, whatever you want, or draw an arc from point A which divides the ray AC and ray AB. So let's see the first step, that is place the point of compass on point A. That is the point of compass. It is the point of your pen or pencil. Now place the point of your compass on the vertex of angle, and vertex of angle is A. Now with any distance you can draw the arc which cuts the ray AC and ray AB. Keep the point of compass and draw an arc which cuts the ray AC and ray AB at the different points. Now you can name the point of intersection as P and Q. This is our first step for drawing the angle bisector. Now see the next step. Now you can change the distance or keep the distance as it is here. I will change the distance little bit. Now place the point of compass on point of intersection of the ray AB, that is on point Q. Our next step is place the point of compass on the intersection of the ray AB, point of intersection of the ray AB, that is Q, and draw an arc inside the angle. Fix this point and draw arc. Okay. Here our next step is for drawing an angle bisector. Our next step is keep the point on the Q and draw an arc inside the angle, that is arc. Now with the same distance, don't disturb the distance of compass. With the same distance, place the point of compass on point Q and draw an arc inside the angle which caused the previous arc. Now place this point of compass on the point Q and draw an arc which caused the previous arc. At this point, that is the point of intersection, you can name it as arc. Now let's join this point of intersection and vertex of angle. Name this ray as AY, and the ray AY is our bisector. Understand, the ray AY divides the angle CAB into two equal parts, means this is our angle bisector. Now you can change the measure of angle CAY and YAB by using protector. Measure of angle CAY is equal to the measure of angle YAB. Now let's recheck this by using compass. Now keep this middle point of the protector and check the distance, that is here 40 degree and here 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80 degree. Means the distance of angle CAY is of 40 degree and YAB is 40 degree. Understand, means the AY is the angle bisector, and you can say that measure of angle CAY is equal to measure of angle YAB, and ray AY is bisector of angle, which angle, that is CAB. Understand how to construct the angle bisector? Simple three steps are there. First, draw an angle of any measure. Then keep the point of compass at the point vertex. Draw an arc which cuts both the arms of angle. Then second step, you can name the point of intersection. Now second step, keep the point of intersection Keep the point of compass on the point of intersection, and with the convenient distance draw an arc inside the angle. With the same distance, keep the point of compass on the next intersection point and draw the arc which curves the previous arc inside the angle, and join the point of intersection and vertex of angle. You can get the angle bisector. Understand? Now let's see our next example. Suppose here we will take the angle of major 180 degree. We want to draw the angle bisector of major 180 degree. Now see here 180 degree and okay. You can extend this. You can name it as X, Y, Z. This is our angle of major 180 degree and we want to draw the bisector of this angle. What is our first step? Let's see. Our first step is, with any convenient distance, draw an arc which curves the ray YX and YZ. First step is draw an arc which curves the ray YX and YZ at two different points. So you can take any distance here. Now keep the point of compass on the vertex, that is Y, and draw an arc which curves both the ray, that is YX and YZ. Now name the point of intersection as PQ. What is our next step? In next step, keep the point of compass on point of intersections of rays. Here rays and arc. Here arc, that is intersect at the point Q. Now you can change the distance which have taken before or take as it is. That is, here I will change the distance little bit and keep the point of compass on the point of intersection of ray and arc, that is Q, and with any distance, convenient distance, you can draw the arc inside here. Fix this point and draw an arc inside the angle XYZ. Now with the same distance, don't disturb this, and keep the point of compass on the second intersection point of ray and arc and draw an arc which curves the previous arc. Okay, so keep this point on Q and draw an arc which curves the previous arc. See here. Now name the point of intersection as A and join this point of intersection and vertex, the ray YZ. Suppose Y be here. Now you can see that the ray YB curves the angle XYZ into two equal parts. So the ray YB is our angle bisector. Understand? Now what we can say, that the measure of angle XYB is equal to measure of angle BYZ. So measure of angle XYB is equal to measure of angle BYZ. Understand? And the ray YB is bisector of angle, which angle? XYZ. Understand how we can construct the angle bisector of any angle? Here we have taken the angle of major 120 degree and you can verify by using the protector like this. Check the first angle is of measure 60 degree, and second angle is at the 120 means 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and 120. Means this distance is also 60 degree, and 60 degree plus 60 degree is equals to 120 degree. Means this total angle is of measure XYZ, and each angle that is XYB and BYZ of measure 60 degree. Understand how we can construct the angle bisector by using compass. This is very easy. बघा काय केलं आपण इथे एक अँगल घेतला कोणता पण मेजरचा, देन जो काही व्हर्टेक्स असेल कंपास मध्ये आपण जे हवं तसं डिस्टन्स घेऊन तो कंपासचा पॉइंट तो कुठे घेतला आपण y वरती, दॅट इज व्हर्टेक्स वरती ठेवली कंपास आणि एक आर्क ड्रॉ केली की जी आर्क y आणि yz ला दोन डिफरंट पॉइंट मध्ये इंटरसेक्ट करेल. नंतर काय केलं आपण जो इंटरसेक्ट पॉइंट असेल त्यावरती कंपासचं पॉइंट प्लेस केलं आणि आर्क ड्रॉ केली अँगलच्या मध्ये. नंतर सेम डिस्टन्स घेऊन आपण ते सेकंड इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट वर ठेवून अजून एक आर्क ड्रॉ केली की जी आर्क ह्या पहिल्या आर्कला काढलेल्या आर्कला कट करते, आणि तो जो काही इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट येईल त्याला आपण नाव दिलं आणि ते फक्त व्हर्टेक्स आणि तो इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट जॉईन केला एका रेने, आणि त्या रे तो रे म्हणजेच काय असतो आपला अँगल बायसेक्टर. अंडरस्टँड? यू कॅन कन्स्ट्रक्ट the any angle of any measure by using the bisector. Understand how we can draw the bisector of any angle. I hope all of you are understood the concept of angle bisector. Okay, so we will stop here.